Do you know how companies like Google, Adobe, GE, Goldman Sachs recruit candidates? They recruit candidates using LinkedIn. So here's a hack on how you can apply jobs on LinkedIn. So go to LinkedIn on your phone and go to job section, then go to search jobs, where I'm putting technical recruiter because my profession is a technical recruiter, and hence this term is quite famous, technical recruiter. Go to the location, write Mumbai. Once you put in Mumbai, it comes Mumbai, Maharashtra. Search first option, and then you can see all the job section. Once you click on one job, go to easy apply, and once you click on easy apply, it's really easy to apply because you just need to select the email ID and the details are automatically popped in. So once you apply, it's directly applied in 2 minutes. Post that, you can go to my job section where you can see all your search history where you have applied, and once you go to applied jobs again, you will see your application is submitted. This is how you can always track how many applications you have applied or how many jobs you have applied on LinkedIn. Post that, you can always click on set alerts job, and you will get alerts for the specific job. Follow Shia.